Hello everyone, my name is Ellery. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be preparing for you guys a lovely Jamaican oxtail served with rice and beans. We all know the world loves Jamaican oxtail, so let's get started. So here goes my oxtail. I washed this oxtail and now I am going to season the oxtail. In this bowl I have meat seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, pimento grain, and I am going to also add additional garlic. So here we go. Now I will chop my garlic because I don't want the garlic like whole garlic in. So I will chop my garlic. And these are all ground vegetables. Now I will add scallion. We call it green onion here in Canada. So I peel my scallion, wash, chop. And I will also add one medium-sized onion. Wash my onion also. Doesn't matter the cut at this time. I try to rub in the seasoning, combine all of it in the meat, because usually, you know, Jamaicans, we will season our meat overnight or ahead of time, ahead of cooking. Now to the pan. I am going to brown my oxtail first. One of the reasons why I try to brown the oxtail is that it will seal the edges, so the oxtail, the meat don't break away so easily from the bone. So that is one step that I'll take. So I will brown the oxtail a little bit to seal it and also for color. Now I will put my oxtail in the pot. Make sure the oil is hot. When the oil is hot, you know, you'll hear that sizzling sound. So we'll put all the oxtail. I try my best to, you know, shake the ground provision off the oxtail because I don't want them in the pot burning. Sometimes, guys, when especially the green onion burns in your meat, it gives it a little British taste. So we don't want that. So we just try to take them off as we go. Doing the oxtail like this, you know, it, as I said before, it seals the egg. So it don't break away too fast. And also for color. Come and look at the beautiful color that it's getting before I transfer it to the Instant Pot. You see? The color is coming out. I'll transfer to my Instant Pot where I'm going to pressure the meat. So guys, this oil here, this oil will have all the flavor in it. So I'll use this same oil, I won't throw it away. So I'll use it because I use just a little bit of oil. To cook my oxtail, I don't pour water on it. I use beef broth because oxtail is still beef based, right? So I use beef broth to cook my oxtail. So I'll just get some beef broth in. I'll give it a little shake. But it's just broth. I use the entire box. To pep up the color a little bit, I will use a little bit of browning, Cool Runnings browning out of Jamaica. Just a little bit. And now I'll set this in the Instant Pot. The Instant Pot comes with time on it. So I will cook it for 20 minutes. Now that the oxtail is going on, I will get started with the rice and peas. In the interest of time, I did cook the peas beforehand. So the peas is already cooked. So I will add my coconut milk now to the peas. I am using Grace coconut milk. I love Grace coconut milk because it's very thick and I find it to be more natural. Now I'll go ahead and season the rice and peas. So in seasoning my rice and peas, I will add green bell pepper, which is called sweet pepper back home in Jamaica. So I'll add green bell pepper and green onion. I'll wash my green onion and clean it. Clean it in the sense of taking off the older leaves. I'll beat it and then add it to the pot. Here we have one large Scotch bonnet pepper, but for sure guys, I won't open this one. So I'll put it to the pot as is. Then I will add my ground provision, which is green bell pepper, thyme, and scallion. Give it a stir. Now I'll add my salt to the rice and peas. I prefer the salt, the pink salt, because it's more healthier. So guys, I'll go ahead and I will add some butter to my rice and peas. So a little butter to the mixture. Yeah, as you all know, Jamaicans, we don't measure anything, we just put it in the pot, and trust me. In the rice and peas, I will also add a clove of garlic. squeeze the garlic. I'll add it like that. So I will let the coconut milk boil for some time, because you know, the more you boil coconut milk, the better it tastes, because it goes down to custard. In the rice and peas also, I put a bit of cinnamon and a bit of nutmeg. So here I have my rice. I use the parboiled rice or brown rice. You can use white rice or the rice of your preference. So guys, my peas is already cooked. The coconut milk is already cooked. So I'll go ahead now and I will add the rice to the peas. There we go. So I'll turn it down and it will take its own little time and steam. Now the rice and peas is on, the oxtail is on. I will just do a little cleanup and then I'll start doing the vegetables. Sorry guys, my camera cut out. So in this bowl I have lettuce, carrot and radish set aside here. So now I cut some bell pepper, which is the green bell pepper, red, and the gold bell pepper. You know, we're Jamaican or Rasta color. And onion. This is the topping now for the oxtail. Okay guys, now the oxtail is almost finished. I'm gonna add some seasoning, extra bell pepper and onion, and I'll add some Grace jerk sauce for a little more spice and taste also. So I have to be careful with this one because very spicy guys. And I'll also add some Grace broad bean. Here we call it lima bean. Try to incorporate everything. Jamaicans love ketchup, we just add a little bit for taste. So now that I add a little ketchup, I'll just leave it just to simmer and have my peppers and onion cook a little bit, because as you know, the bean is already cooked. Yes guys, now everything is coming to an end. The rice and peas is done. The oxtail needs just a few seconds more, and the vegetable is done. So now I can start plating. Okay guys, here you have it. Finished product. Oxtail and the rice and peas. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the other video. So good.